Hello and welcome to the Cabinet of Creations, where you will find horror, beauty and the perfectly imperfect. Welcome to this mini video. This is how to make a unicycle stand for a 17-inch Monster High doll, or indeed use the same process to do it for a normal Monster High doll or any doll. So I start by using 5mm gauge wire to make a frame, and then fake leather. I make a seat for the 17-inch doll unicycle. I think it would be very difficult to make it for the regular size doll. Here is just a curtain ring, and I'm adding wire from a jewellery shop. Top tip. This is actually Podge photo transfer glue, which is a lot thicker and holds its shape as soon as you put it on, so it's great for making the rubber details of the tyres. To add a bit more strength and obviously to hide some of the wire, I use cardboard, and you can paint it whatever colour you want, add gems, add sparkles, add glitter, add flags, whatever. And then I'm just using matte acrylic to obviously colour in the cardboard and the wire. The nice bit of fancy gold to do the metal work and the spikes. Obviously you could use silver, or again any colour. Pink will look great in this, I think, or orange or red, or even black, anything. Just experiment. If you don't like it, paint over it. The little cogs you see just in the middle there where the pedals are being held in, those are just normal metal embellishments I got, I don't know, from somewhere online. Just type in metal embellishment cogs or steampunk. Because this stand is for a 17-inch Monster High doll, which is obviously a little bit weightier than the normal size regular dolls, I added a little bit of structural strength at the back by having what looks like a wire going into the wooden plinth and hidden slightly with the mud guards. But when making a smaller unicycle stand for, say, a regular Monster High doll, I won't use this extra strength because I don't think it'll be needed. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Something like a massive 84% of you that watch my videos all the time aren't subscribed. Please don't rely on YouTube to suggest it. That's not sort of how the way it always works. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification for all videos, and then that way you won't miss out on anything. Thanks muchly. Don't forget details, so the tyres wouldn't be immaculately clean, I don't think. It's going to have bits of mud, bits of dirt, so obviously put all that in. And here I am doing my favourite thing of aging things with some pastels. And obviously, once it's done, I spray everything with Mr. Super Clear. In fact, no, sorry, on this one, I sprayed it with Rust-Oleum Clear Matte Lacquered Finish, because I like to save the rather expensive Mr. Super Clear for doll repaints and face-ups. But where I don't need anything where I need to put watercolour on, such as details for eyes on dolls, I like to use a version that I can actually get off the shelves here in England. And then here's the final photos with Molly the mascot modelling rather nicely at the end. Enjoy!